Hi parents, hi teachers. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about repeated addition using arrays. Let's get into it. In math, an array is an order or sequence of items. In an array, items are ordered in rows and columns. In this lesson, it's important for your child or student to know that rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. Let's get into the lesson. Miss ABCD is at the supermarket. This is a perfect opportunity to practice repeated addition with arrays. We're going to use repeated addition to figure out how many apples Miss ABCD has just bought. Look at this array. There are 2 rows and 3 columns of apples. Let's see if we can figure out how many apples she's bought using these rows and columns. Let's look at the rows. How many rows of apples are in this array? That's right, there are 2 rows of apples in this array. And how many apples are in each row? You're correct, there are 3 apples in each row. So if there are 3 apples in each row, and there are 2 rows, we can add 3 2 times. 3 plus 3 equal 6. Great job. We can also add with our columns. Can you tell me how many columns of apples you see? That's right, there are 3 columns of apples. And how many apples are in each column of apples? That's right, there are 2 apples in each column of apples. So if there are 2 apples in each of the 3 columns of apples, we can add 2 3 times and get our answer of 6 apples all together. Great job. Let's try another example. Miss ABC has bought eggs. She has 3 rows of eggs, and in each row, she has 6 eggs. So instead of counting each egg one by one, what we can do is use repeated addition. We can add 6 eggs 3 times to get our answer. 6 plus 6 plus 6 gives us a total of 18. Let's see if our columns give us the same answer. There are 6 columns, and there are 3 eggs in each column. This means we'll add 3 6 times. If we add 3 6 times, we should get the total of 18. Good job, friends. Hi parents, hi teachers. You can use this section to check for your child's or student's understanding. Use the rows and columns to find the total amount for each array. How many cans of food did Miss ABCD buy? Was your answer 20? If it was, you were right. Good job. How many lemons did she buy? Was your answer 30? Great job! You got to 30 without having to count each individual lemon. That's why repeated addition is so great. Keep up the good work. Great job today, friends. Keep practicing repeated addition with arrays. This is a great foundation for other concepts that you'll learn later, like multiplication. See you in my next one. Hi friends! If you found this video helpful and you'd like more resources, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell for more. See you in my next one. Bye!